welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to film a little office studio tour. So I'm going to tidy up all my space. It's pretty messy in here. Plus, if you don't know, you don't follow my channel. By the way, my name's Carly if you are new to my channel. And I'm a digital artist drawing on the iPad. So I was running an Etsy shop before, which I recently closed. And a lot of my shelving and storage and that is based towards running that shop. So I want to like organise it all differently now, set a new vibe in here whilst I'm not running my shop and stuff. And also, I don't feel very inspired in here at the moment. I'm that sort of person that I can get bored of a space easily, and I always need to like change it up, move things around to like re-inspire myself. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, and I thought I would take you along the process. So I hope you all enjoy this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you're not already, and let's get into it. So this is the mess currently, and I'm halfway. I've just packed like all of my Etsy stuff. Packaging stuff's all in there, bubble wrap, envelopes, prints, old invoices, just a few random bits on. And then all my stickers, bookmarks, and a couple of little accessories that I would use in my shop are all in there. I've just emptied this out because I don't need that for my paper. Gonna be honest, it does feel pretty sad packing away all my Etsy stuff. I almost feel like I don't want to do it. It's kind of like if I want to change as a person and like find a new path, I need to surround myself with all the things, like the feelings, the emotions, and the environment to like become that new person, if you know what I mean. So I feel like clearing out all my shop stuff is like clearing out that part of my life right now, and then making room for new things like to come my way. So I'm going to give you a little tour around really quickly if you're interested in knowing like where you've organised stuff or where a few things are from as well. I'll start with this shelf here. So I've got like my old laptop under here. I've just got like watercolour paints and things in there that I don't really use. This is just some old artwork in a little sort of folder I put together. All my watercolour stuff, scrap bits of paper and some watercolour folders. This shelf is a bit random as well actually. That's just got a few pens in and weekly planners on, and I've just got some copper markers, and I put all like my stones and that in here. This was just like a random box I had from something else, and in here is just all my bits and bobs that I usually use, like my leads and like phone holder, stapler, masking tape, all sort of bits and bobs like that. Then on this shelf I've put my Cricut machine there, and I've took the leads and everything away because I'm not using it at the moment. I thought I'd just keep it in the room instead of putting it in the spare room because it looks kind of nice sitting there, you know. Next to my machine I've just got a bunch of books. This was a diary for this year. I've got an adult colouring in book, an art book. This was my first ever children's book I did. And then I've got a notebook and a sketchbook, and then self-development books and other books. These two I've read. These two are coming next. I'm just finishing one at the moment and then I'm on to these two. I really like this shelf. I don't know why. Oh, and I also put this at the back. I didn't have anything to put in it, so I put it there so that my books kind of like had this bit at the back to stop them from like going too far back and kept them kind of neat. This shelf here I've got, this is from Ikea in the kitchen section. It's meant to hold plates, but I'm using it for like my notebooks and sketchbooks. And then I've just got a few random little bits here. So I've just got some oils. I've put my candle there, but I'm not going to light it because it is under the shelf, so I will move that if I light it. And I've also just got my masking tape and this little moon light. Should I turn it on? It actually changes colour. I got this from Ikea, by the way. So yeah, I just thought I'd put that there, and then I just have my spray to keep the room smelling nice. And just like, yeah, that's kind of just a random shelf really. Out here it gets more random now. I've just got two boxes. That's just holding a couple of random bits I didn't know where to put. A folder and certificate and clipboard. I'm holding onto this big bow because I don't want to get rid of it. It's really nice. I got it on a birthday present once. So yeah. Oh, and these I got in the 2p machines in England when I went back. And I just thought they were cute, so I hung them there. Also, I've got this cute little key ring, which I'm pretty sure I got for my birthday ages ago. And this is a little fluffy ball key ring as well, which I really like. These two big tubs were from Kmart. This whole shelving unit is from Kmart. These were from Kmart. This is an Ikea plant. Plus, I really like these headphones. I actually bought these from Asda back in England when I was there. They were only about £20 or £30, I mean. And they're wireless. I think they're pretty good for their price, and I really like the colour of them. In this corner, I actually want to get a really cosy little chair, and I also want some fairy lights to hang up here. But that all comes soon. There's a lot of things I want to buy for this room as well. I've got my tripod and my ring light here. This tripod goes really big, so I just thought I'd put it there for now. And then I've just set up my desk with a plant, this little basket of just bits and bobs, some pens, my humidifier, my laptop, and this lap tray, which I got from Ikea. This was from Amazon, by the way. These jars I actually got from Alibaba.com. These were actually iced coffee jars, which I was gonna try and do some Cricut designs on, but I never got around to doing it. So now I'm using a couple of them to hold pens in. Then I've got my massive computer screen. I just kept my Dymo label out just because it's all plugs in, and I didn't know if I'd ever use it for something, so I just left it there. I took my printer away from here, and I've now moved this desk. I don't know if you remember, it was like against here, and it was like the other way around, so I turned it all around. So now I've got the drawers on this side, my printer's in the corner. In this drawer I've put in all my paper and sticker paper and all that kind of stuff, which I probably won't even use, but you know, so it's all in there in case I need it. This drawer hasn't really got much in. I have just got a few random bits, you know, so that's like my candle, hand gel. These are like resistance bands and things like that. So this comes apart. This I got from the Shein.com in the beauty section, which is originally meant for like makeup or beauty or something, but I'm just using it for some random things. I did have a couple of my own stickers in there, but I've taken them out now. I've put them all away. And then I've just got this plant. This is fake, this plant. And then my yoga mat and my foam, and then my yoga, yeah, and then my oh my god. And then my yoga mat and foam roller. This is a really old vision board I made a couple of years ago, but I just really liked it. It was quite nice colours and everything, so I stuck it on the wall because I needed something to like fill up the space. And then that's my most current vision board that I've made. And then this is kind of just a little inspiration board I put together with some of my art pieces on, and just some photos that I've printed out from Google. This we got from Bunnings, and we just painted it white. And then all these little pegs we got from Bunnings. We got like this massive pack, which was like really cheap. And these little necklaces and this thing my mum got me. So I'm not sure where those are from, but yeah, I like all these little tree necklaces, and there's another one there. But that is pretty much it. I do also wish I had a little like fluffy rug or something on the floor, but I don't at the moment. So yeah, there's still a few things that I want to get. I hope that you've got some ideas for storage and things, or like just where to get some things from. And I hope it's inspired you maybe to have a little clean of your own office and your own space. But yeah, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!